Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain which is high in protein, fiber, iron, magnesium and other nutrients. Oats are a good source of energy. It also contains protein, fiber and other nutrients. Combination of quinoa, oats and dals offer a powerhouse of nutrition and a good source of protein, fiber and other essential nutrients. Will finally contributes to sustained energy, healthy digestion and weight management. Complex carbohydrates in this meal will help to fuel your high energy workouts. So, today I want to share a healthy, protein and fiber rich quinoa, oats and dal dosa. This recipe is a healthy alternative to regular dosa and also best option for those who do not have much time in fermenting the batter. You can have this for post-workout breakfast, lunch or even dinner. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a glass bowl, add 1 cup of quinoa, half cup of urad dal, half cup of masoor dal, 1 teaspoon methi seeds, add water and rinse it well 3 to 4 times and discard the water after each rinse. Make sure to wash the quinoa very well to get rid of the excess bitterness. Now the quinoa and the dals are washed well. Then add 1 cup of rolled oats into it. Add sufficient water. Mix it once and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, see the dals, quinoa and the oats are well soaked. Then discard the water, add it to the mixer jar and then add 1 medium sized beetroot, 3 green chilies, 2 shallots, 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of salt, add some water into it, cover it with a lid and grind into a smooth batter. There is no need to ferment this batter. You can directly use it to prepare your dosas. So here, add some water to it. Mix and stir it well. And make it into a pouring consistency. Now grease the grill pan with very little oil and heat it. And once the pan gets heated, pour 1 big ladle full of batter at the center and immediately start spreading it in a circular motion into a thin dosa. Cook it well for a minute on one side. Then flip it over and cook for a few seconds on the other side. Press it well. Flip it again. Fold it and take it into a serving plate. Here I am making the second dosa without adding any oil. Now our healthy, nutritious, protein and fiber rich quinoa, oats and dal dosa is ready to serve. Here I am serving it with healthy coriander and tomato chutney. You can watch the recipe of this chutney in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.